Honey Bear goes for a ride. You want to go for a ride? Daddy, take Honey Bear for a ride. Whee! Oh, she just loves this, doesn't she? Are we having fun doing donuts in the carpet? Whee! Little Miss Bunny Rabbit. She loves that. Look at her. Look at her little face. Are you getting dizzy now? Honey Bear, tell me, how are you doing? Is that fun? You like to go for a ride, don't you? Say, come on, Daddy, give me some more. I'm ready. Let's speed it up and go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Whee! Whoop! Where's Honey Bear? Honey Bear! Honey Bear! Where's Honey Bear? Come here, Honey Bear! Oh, you're so cute. We love you.